Pampering ourselves is super crucial, especially as homemakers, because we tend to put anything and everything above us, and there's literally always something to do at home. So we just never get around to pampering or caring for ourselves, myself included. I'm super duper guilty of this. So today, on day 29 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to do a pamper mission. I'm going to link down below exactly where to find the pamper mission for today, but it is pertaining a hair mask, which I could definitely use. So it's going to be so much fun. And moving forward, I need you to schedule in at least 15 minutes a day if you can, maybe in your other rest block, to pamper yourself. You definitely deserve it. And for today in our habits, we're going to take either the other 15-minute block, or if you're blessed to have a third 15-minute block of rest, you can take that one to do your pampering as well. But we're going to do this every single day, whether we're massaging our hands or painting our toenails. We're going to do something for ourselves, pampering, and to fill us up every single day. It could even be as simple as drinking a cup of tea. So if you've been following along, we have a couple of 15-minute rest blocks throughout the day. Yesterday we touched on taking one of those to have fun, do something fun for yourself, a hobby or reading, whatever you like to do for fun. This other 15-minute block is going to be for a pamper mission. The original 15-minute block was for resting. So ideally, we would have 3 15-minute blocks: fun, resting, pampering. However, depending on your season in life, sometimes it is difficult to. I understand. I have 2, 3 and under, and they're very fun and they take up a lot of time, which is wonderful. They're little boys, they're very active, and what are you gonna do? I love it. It's a blessing. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm just saying that we gotta take our seasons into consideration. However, on the other hand, and I'm talking to myself here too, if we prioritize those 15 minutes, those 3 15-minute blocks, our whole entire family, including our children, will see that it is important to take care of ourselves, and it is important to take the downtime, whether for them it's independent playing, reading, or actually taking care of themselves as they're older. So it is a good example, just something to think about, and I should probably consider this as well. But so far, we have been doing so well on our habits. We have been every single night shining our sink, picking out our clothes, resting for 15 minutes, checking our calendar, checking our control journal, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue. These are optional, by the way. You only have to do them once a day. But if you have a lot of people in your home or littles, maybe it's good to do it multiple times a day. Just start saying kind words to ourselves and others the whole day. We're making everything that we do fun. We're not procrastinating, and we're slowing down and taking our time doing things properly. And these are for the whole day. And in the morning, we have been dressing to shoes, a 2-minute hotspot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, checking our control journals, checking our planners. In the afternoon, we have drinking our water, and not only asking ourselves what's for dinner, but actually making the plans to make the dinner as well. Dinner time is super duper chaotic, so if you can make your dinner and not dinner time, that is the best tip that I can give you regarding that. Let me know in the comments down below what is the most drastic change you have seen in your home. For me, it has always been decluttering. It just does such a huge, massive difference. We're almost all the way done. I can't believe it, but tomorrow is day 30 of the Fly Ladies 31 Baby Step Challenge. You've been doing so super duper good, and I hope to see you tomorrow on day 30, Friday, of the Fly Ladies 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.